All right, I'm the flat rate master, and well, I'm getting old. Yesterday, me and the family went down to Krog Street Market, which is a food mall kind of bougie place to go eat, because it was my youngest son's 18th birthday. My daughter is turning 21 in July. My stepson is turning 35 in September. I'm getting old. I don't know how else to put it, but I don't share a lot about my family on this channel. They didn't sign on to be a public figure, so I don't share them on social media. You know, my kids barely acknowledge I'm a YouTuber. I mean, no lie, my daughter finally came out. She was on a girls' weekend with her college friends, and they're all girls, and they all came out and they're all gamer girls, including my daughter. And well, then she started talking about, her computer, which I built. And then she talked about my other channel, Creator Hardware, where I build servers and play with technology and stuff like that. And if you're not interested in that kind of stuff, don't go subscribe, because it does nothing for the channel. If you want to watch the videos, watch the videos. Subscribe if you actually going to watch the videos, by the way. But anyway, when it came out that I'm a YouTuber, she doesn't tell anybody I'm a YouTuber. So I don't think it's fair for me to put them online when, they're embarrassed their dad is a social media influencer. But anyway, it kind of, hit me that all my kids are hitting, milestones this year. My youngest is hitting 18. He can go die for his country. My daughter, 21, she can go drink. She's a responsible young woman. She's getting a chemistry degree, by the way. And my stepson, 35. When I met him, he was 14. I'm not going to mention my age or my wife's age. If I mention my wife's age, I'll probably get killed and I'll be on the news. But, it's just, time passes quickly. So if you have kids, cherish all the time you have with them. Back when I worked for Motorvac or Challenger, I always got asked, what do you do for fun when I was out on the road? And my answer was always, I go home and play with my kids, because I didn't see them for a week at a time. I traveled Monday through Friday. When I came home on the weekends, I spent time with my kids. I get a lot of, flack on this channel for being chubby. Why? Because I spent time with my family still. Most every night, we have a family dinner with my family. We sit down, we have a meal, we talk about stuff. That happens most every night. I spend time with my kids. I don't have that much time at home as it is. Hour and a half commute, YouTube channel, etc. So I do my best to spend time with my family, and that eats into, personal time. So I don't work out. I don't have an interest in working out either, so don't even bother saying that in the comments. I'm not going to. I get plenty of exercise in my day-to-day life. I'm chubby because I've been chubby all my life. There's only one time in my life where I wasn't chubby, and I had a much more strenuous job than I do now. But anyway, so as always, thanks for watching. I am the old man. Yes, I've been nicknamed that by Andrew that used to work here.